First of all, let me thank you so much for coming today, and thank you at home for viewing. By watching this video, you're being proactive in your career. You're showing me, not only me, but you're showing yourself that you are committed to your craft, committed to learning things and to pushing the envelope. I always say to even working actors, it's a great idea to keep taking classes, keep doing things that scare you every day. Take an improv class. It's always good to have more tricks in your bag, you know? I got the idea to teach these classes and to make this video because I saw so many students coming from universities in the United States and abroad, and they would come into my office and they'd be so well trained, but they didn't know how to audition. And it's almost like knowing how to act and auditioning are two different animals completely. And my point here was to give you guys the tools that you would need to navigate this rocky path and be able to go out there and show us what you've got and really be able to shine. These days, your jobs are actually dwindling. Things are so fast-paced. There's all these unscripted shows. There are shows that are solely made for the internet with, quite frankly, a lot of amateurs, people that are waving a wand over their head saying, I am now an actor. And if they have a certain look, they can get really swept up into the system. They could get a movie, they could get a TV series, and soon it becomes revealed that they have no idea what they're doing. They don't even know how to act. They have absolutely no training. So I think it's great that you guys are asking questions and getting answers and getting trained so that you could take advantage of all these opportunities and have a good foundation as an actor.